When you are connected on a call, you can perform an attended or introduced transfer to another party. To initiate an attended transfer, press the programmed Transfer button. This will automatically place the original caller on hold. You can then use the dial pad to enter the number you would like to transfer to. Then press the right navigation key to initiate the call. When the person answers, you can introduce the call. Then to complete the transfer and connect the parties, either press the End Call key or replace your handset into the cradle. You will see the calls disappear from your phone when the two parties are connected. If you have started a transfer and the second party does not answer, use the left navigation key to cancel the transfer. Then you can press on the flashing line 1 key and you will be reconnected with the original caller. Or if you have started a transfer and the person has answered but does not wish to accept the transfer, you can press the right navigation key to disconnect the call to the second party. You can then press on the flashing line 1 key and you will be reconnected with the original caller.